My body is my temple. Khajuraho. My pilgrimages. 16. I visited Khajuraho temple in 1998. Khajuraho is a small town in Chhatarpur district in the Indian state of Madhya Pradesh, where this temple of world fame is situated. It is listed as UNESCO World Heritage Site. Its name Khajuraho suggests that in the beginning its surrounding was thickly dominated by palm trees. This place is also known as Khajurpura, sex as a means of salvation. Those who have not visited Khajuraho temple cannot claim to know India philosophically in its real sense of the word. It does not only recognize shaved-headed and saffron-clad philosophy, but it believes in applying many more angles and approaches to reach to the real self, the Atman, the ultimate goal of life. Our temples are monuments of our rich cultural heritage, and they guide us to the way to the ultimate truth, salvation, and the best way of the earthly life as well. Khajuraho is the only temple in India which boldly deals with application of sex in its carving on the walls of its temples in various postures, even with animals. Our body is a great gift of God. Body is the product of sexual activities between the men and women. Sex is the only earthly means of boundless pleasures which has no any other substitute. Rishis of Vedic period compared Brahmananda with 100 times sexual pleasure achieved at its peak. Every stroke of sexual activity gives us feeling of pleasure which is not achievable through any other worldly achievement. Body is the most dependable vehicle to cover our journey of life through the paths, visible and invisible. Body is not only the bundle of flesh and bones, it is a small vibrating wonder which knows no limits. It is visible with our open eyes and through us in unlimited universe of invisible when we close our eyes. Our looks, our touches with deep feelings are fully capable to vibrate others also. Bodies of men and women are purposefully different from each other. When they combine together, they do wonders. They are natural attraction to each other. Their looks with desire, their touches with feeling generate boundless pleasure. They are sucked up into each other and achieve the climax of life. According to some, these carvings were done to lure men and women to the worldly affairs, as preaching of Lord Buddha had detracted people from their earthly duties. Some believe these are inspired by tantric mysticism, where sex is regarded as an important means of supreme salvation. Whatsoever it may be, these carvings are product of great artistic skill and unparalleled treat to our eyes and soul.